You recording? Okay, yeah, so we at it. Let me put my tab back up. Just trying to get them set together. But I'm back with another good meal for you. So, of course you know, it's that time of the year. The weather's a lot cooler. And sometimes you just want something that's hearty and that gets that body warm. So never talk while I'm pouring. So I'm gonna hook up some white chicken chili for you. I think you'll love this one. It's real quick and easy. So let's follow along with me. Let's get busy. Hey y'all, just a quick sidebar. If you haven't gone to Gooderthanamug.com, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Because I got all of the seasonings, a lot of them that I use in my recipes are there for you to order, and a delicious barbecue sauce and barbecue rub that'll make your tongue twerk. You'll love it, I promise. And if you go on there now and use the promo code Chili Night, you get an additional 15% off of your order. So make sure you go to Gooderthanamug.com and order your seasonings, rubs, and barbecue sauce right now.